Let me show ya how to wipe out thousands of unread emails at once in your Apple Mail app on any Mac. First up, crack open the Mail app on your Mac. Hit up your inbox on the left side, then click that little filter icon to only show unread emails. Man, I found over 2,000 unread emails chillin' there. To grab them all, just smash Command plus A. Now right-click on that big pile and hit Delete. Boom! Gone for good. But yo, if that trick don't fly, try making a smart folder to round up all your unread emails and nuke them from there whenever you want. Go to the top menu, click on Mailbox, and pick New Smart Mailbox. Give it a name, pick All, so it grabs messages that match every condition. Then from the drop-down, choose Message is Unread. Smash OK, and bam, you got yourself a Smart Mailbox under the Smart Mailbox section, full of every unread email from all your accounts. Alright, so here's how you do it. Just hit Command plus A to select all those emails, then right-click and smack that delete option. Boom. Gone in one shot. You can wipe out thousands of unread emails from all your accounts on your Mac just like that. But hey, if you only want to nuke emails from a specific account, here's what you gotta do. Want to narrow it down to a certain account? I got you. Make another Smart Mailbox, like I did for my Google Gmail. Named it Google Unread, picked Message is Unread, then hit that plus button to add another rule. Choose Account, pick your Google account, or whatever you got, then hit OK. Now pop open that smart folder, Command plus A to select them all. Right-click and delete. Done deal. Give it a sec to chew through all those emails. Hope this helped you out. Smash that like button, share it with your crew, and don't forget to subscribe. Got questions? Drop them in the comments below.